In today's review, I'll take a look at GMT, a project that's part of a brand new way of investing. It's a token backed by real assets which brings in constantly growing daily Bitcoin to its owner. And for transparency, as always, before we begin, this is a sponsored video and I'd like to thank the team at GMT for doing so. Also, the content I cover in this video is done for educational and exposure purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. You can also find all the details about GMT on their website, which can also be found in the description of this video if you're interested in doing more research. The GMT project, which also has the GMT cryptocurrency token, has got the company GoMining behind it. It's a professional mining company founded by a number of international investors in 2017. Since April 2021, the company has created data centers all around the world, provided with its own power consumption infrastructure of more than 200 megawatts. These include construction and maintenance of data centers and high voltage infrastructure, purchase of international logistics of equipment, setting up equipment and developing software integration with pools, service maintenance and equipment repair. They've also been building relationships with regional authorities and created legal operating procedures, and they offer customer support and legal support. The utility of the GMT token is that by holding it, you receive daily BTC income from the pool where the computing powers are directed into the Bitcoin wallet. To gain this profit, because there's no other way for the team to know you hold GMT, you will have to register an account on their website and provide your Ethereum address where you hold your GMT tokens, which by the way is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, as well as your Bitcoin address where the mining income will be accrued. The benefits of holding the GMT token is that you don't have to worry about purchasing your own mining equipment, as well as spend time and money to set it up, maintain it, upgrade it when required, because all of this gets managed by their service center. The team are also assuring us that the GMT token is highly liquid and does not require additional investments. Then there's the double profitability aspect of it. If the token price appreciates in value over time, you're also earning there as your portfolio value goes up, aside from the passive income you're earning in Bitcoin. Payments are also daily, which is great. They get conducted daily at approximately 12 a.m. GMT. Now, to take a look at how they calculate profitability for each one GMT you hold, each one is equal to 0.001642 terahash per second of mining power. By owning one GMT, you're taking part in the passive income that gets generated from the real computing power of their mining devices, and you're basically involved in the Bitcoin mining that brings you daily income. On the GMT website, which is the crypto token info, you'll actually find information about the token but not about the team. So if you go to GoMining, you can find information on the team, and by the way, that can be found in the description of this video as well. Now, Patrick J. Bryan is the VP of Regional Development in the EU, and he's been an entrepreneur for 30 years, while most of those years were spent in the music production business. He did get curious about crypto mining in 2017, and since then it has become his new passion. Irina, the R&D director, who's an engineer by trade, got into mining in 2018, and then there's Zilong Li and Murat Keilbekov, if you're interested to check them out and do more research on their backgrounds. Their GMT token has plenty of liquidity and is listed on a number of known exchanges, both centralized and decentralized, such as Bittrex, MEXC, Bibox, Uniswap, SushiSwap, 1inch, and PancakeSwap, which means they also created a BEP20 version of their token. But remember that in order to qualify for the BTC mining income, you'll have to share your Ethereum address with the team. So it would probably require a swap, but I'm not 100% on that, at least until the team decide to offer support for BEP20 as well on their website. But you'll actually find that out for sure if you register through and then supply the Ethereum address. 203 million is the circulating supply we can see on Etherscan. Some of that is also distributed to Binance Smart Chain, and there are 5,330 holders of their GMT token on Ethereum, which is quite a large number. On CoinMarketCap, we can see it's currently trading at almost 32 cents on average across all the different exchanges, and that they've also been audited by Certic, which actually shows it on CoinMarketCap. Max supply of their token is 10 billion with a market cap of almost 76 million US dollars. You can also follow them on Twitter on @GMT_token if you wish to check them out with their latest updates and what they've got coming. Of course, you can also find a link to both the websites and their Twitter page in the description of this video. Now, to give you my personal thoughts, I like what the team are doing since you're earning passive income for holding their token and thus not making their token inflationary by generating more tokens than the max cap, and being paid in the king of crypto, I should say, is definitely great because not many are willing to pay in Bitcoin for holding their ERC20 token. I think the only risk there is could be with regards to their mining facilities. If something was to happen, to say the laws in that country where the mining takes place and how that might impact the team. Perhaps they would just take a while to move all of their data center across to a different country, and in the meantime there would not be any rewards paid out. That would be my guess, but feel free to ask the team for any doubts you may have. Thanks for watching today's review as always, and let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.